One of the three biggest mistakes I see home buyers make is not getting pre-approved or not having a strong enough pre-approval. They get all excited, they fall in love with a home, they're ready to make their offer, and by the time they get their ducks in a row with their loan officer, well, that house is under contract now, and they missed out because they weren't prepared when they were ready to enter the market. Number two, skipping the inspection. So you want an inspection so you know what you're getting yourself into, or deciding ultimately that you don't want to get into that. The reality is we are seeing in this competitive landscape that some home buyers are waiving their inspection in order to have a competitive offer, which maybe could get you into the house, but could be costly down the road. And number three, only thinking about the monthly payment. Your monthly payment is only one of many costs associated with purchasing a home. So you want to make sure that you budget for all of the costs so you don't end up house poor or in a situation that's not good for you financially. Avoid these mistakes and you'll be way ahead of the game.